Ensinganto nekwishibwaho Katabaro Memorial School omuri Buterando.
Ishomereri nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kuruga hanasari kwikaha kibina kya mushanju. Ahari Katabaro Memorial School abeja bamwe nibashomane bataha abamwe barara ishomero.
Hello, iwo murunzi nakwashira aha TV West. Nikunda mnonga kandi nyenda kushemerera kugira ngo watungakire kawe aha shahiji wenda ngo obase kuba neitwe urebe program ya weji Ensinganto. Numanyita tshababra. Izabe twino rambro rete trip ntubasa kuziremya nyanya mwinzo mwihangeri omunseji eturi kubantu kunda etukubantu etenga ngutije tayire konkabo izoberi totayire bicweka byinji ebituri kurra ebimwentu bishoma omuza social studies zitoko ebimwentu kurra abantu nibabigamba wakati nikwenda ngumugamba hokenje nyendangu obase gumane itwe obase kureba turugo mwanya tuzomugundi turugo muchindi obase kurebya abana barebere obase kwege barkwega obase niwe kugire cyo wayehiramu orebe cyo barakwamba kushomesa babwaro baho kirje aharbaho no mukitabo kizomesho gawe kizomagara gawe obase kukimana katanje program
119 workers most staff and workers 319 just to write 319 and finish. High transport costs. High transport costs. High transport costs of finished product. And we are calling it 303. It's the crore, we call it the crore. Just write 303 and you write T. This is not part of
bino firewood kumara kandi na engage bya raw materials ziba kukosa nazo baba zine ziri kumara.
I have learned that they employ 319 people in this factory.
Part of Mama. It's one of the Preta Lakes. And one of the Preta Lakes ever formed by what? By faulting. There is no inlet and there is no outlet. Harum jara kuletwa kulia ninga kaletwa kuno. It was just formed by faulting. Now. Zakta emyanya mwitu algari kurtoto ya bire formed by means of faulting edi mu shape ya Africa twarga yokwe tija twazare ke bakwetare ki nyungu eri kusangwa omurubu nyaruguru. It's one of the great lakes we have in Uganda. Eri kusangwa steep saha shozurwa harugazi ya the church. Tayine outlet and tayine inlet. So it's one of the good crater lakes yokushangu eboni yokureba ene scenery nungi omu Uganda.
Stop throwing stones. There are people who are
down there. It's step channel yokujanga yabino arange na misga green. Konka misga green nabwa effect yokujangu omuraje harimu vegetation. So how reflection ya plants yo mu rubazu amizgo na gabaga green. So abakurira bajanga na misga green bata misga very white konkana kujanga reflection eri mu rubazu. Ekinde kigeraho no kugira ngo omu Uganda taro type zindi ezikozirwe nkezi eza lakes nkezi ziri common eza tweta fault lakes omu Africa. So twine to breast kugira ngo ezenyanja ziri common omu rubu nyaruguru hatari gundi mwanya omu Uganda. So that is what that's what we call African we can see many other animals. Let's go to the answer of Zimbabwe here.
Show me the way, show me every possibility. Others can plenty, others no opportunity. Show me the way, how to live out a calamity.
the Kazinga channel is called what? Lake what? Lake what? So, pupils. Pupils. We have lake what? We have lake Edward in the western what? In the western direction. Are we together? Then the Kazinga channel connects Lake George in its northeastern what? Direction. Are we together? Then the pupils. Remember that as that we have the Kazinga channel, some in the activities which are taking place on the some of the water bodies of Uganda. Are we together? Then pupils, what could be one of the activities that are taking place on the water bodies of Uganda? One. So one, we have what? Fishing activity. Are we together? And pupils, I would assume that you have already observed the fishing canoes and the fishing boats. Are we together? Then activity number 2 taking place is what? So we have number 2, we have the tourism what? We have the tourism boats sailing on the water bodies of what? Of Uganda. Are we together? Then the activity number 3 could be what? So we have means of water transport. Are we together? Which is being carried out on the water bodies of what? Of Uganda. Are we together? Then if those are some of the activities which are taking place on the water bodies of Uganda, are we together? Are we together? Yes. So what are list down some of the fishing tools. Tool number 1 is what? We have the fishing what? Yes. We have the out together. Then it's to the pupils. Out together. Then the 2. We have the fishing what? We have the fishing boats and the fishing what? Canoes. Out together. And the fishing what? Canoes. Then the pupils. Fishing is the process of extracting the different types of what? Fish in the water. Are we together? Yes. Then pupils, e.g. type of fish extracted in the water bodies of Uganda. Number 1, we have the what? So number 1, we have the tilapia what? Tilapia fish. Are we together? Ejonio engege in our local what? In our local language. Are we together? Then the 2 type of fish caught. Number 2 type of fish. Pupils, observe silence. Pupils. Type of fish number 2 is called what? Catfish. Cat what? The catfish. Are we together? This is the Samutundu in our local what? In our local language. Are we together? Are we together? Then the